Hello and welcome back to another video from Kids Editing. Today I'll be showing you how to add bass shake effect and natural shake effect to your videos. Before we start, I just want to say if you love watching these kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button. Without wasting any time, let's begin. First, drag your video on the timeline. I'll play the video and show you that there is no shake effect in it. Now what you want to do is pause your video to the frame where you want to add your shake effect. I've chosen a video of a guy kicking, so whenever he kicks the boxing bag, I want the shake to happen. Now go to the effects on top, select filters and go to shake. There are a couple of shake effects to choose from. You can play around with them and see which one suits best. I'll be going with up and down 2. Drag it to the timeline on the video track above the video. Hit play. You can see the video shaking, but shaking is too long. I want it to shake for a shorter time. I'll reduce the duration of the shake. Now the shake looks better. It feels like when he kicks the boxing bag, it's shaking the screen. Let's add the same shaking effect to his other kicks in the video. Duplicate the effect and put it to his next kick. Remember, when copy pasting, make sure to select the track on which you want to paste the effect. That was your shake effect for that video. Let's come to bass shake effect. I'll add another video. It is also not shaky like the first one. Now let's add some music to it. I'll be adding shake effect on the reference of the music. Every time there is a high bass on the music, I want the video to shake. Drag the music to the timeline. You can see the sound waves in the music in the timeline. We'll use these to add the shake on the right timings. Every time there is a big bass in the song, there is a high volume sound wave shown in the audio track. So I want the shake to happen on these timings. I'll copy the shake effect previously used and paste it on the track above. Align it with the high bass timing and play. It mostly works, but you have to listen to it and match it manually for perfection. Add the shake to other beats of the music and hey, you're done. That's all for this video. If you want to add text shake effect to your videos, make sure to check out my other videos shown on top. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Keep editing. Kids out.